Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A2x and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings, then go to Wallpapers and Style. Select Wallpapers, and now you can choose something from your recent photos, some album of yours. You can apply carousel wallpaper, static wallpaper or online wallpaper, whatever you like. I will pick something from static, for example this one. Obviously you can go through all of them and choose the one that you like the most. And once you have it, tap on apply. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.